We wrap drums and new finishes every day here at Drums Etc. This trio of vintage Ludwig toms came in, and I'm super excited to get them all matchy-matchy. They started out looking like this, and they end up looking like this. So if you're down for the next 2 minutes of this video, you'll see in very quick time lapse exactly how the project came together. We're super excited when someone finds the drums out there in the wild, gives them a new home, adopts those orphans, and adds them to their kit. So this was a fun one. I hope you guys have fun checking out the trio of Silver Sparkle toms.